Okay, so what was the duration of the journey? So it's distance divided by speed. Okay, so distance is 209 divided by speed, which is 76. Use your calculator, very simple. 2.75 hours, very easy, okay? That's why it's only 1 mark. It's so simple, just use your calculator, okay? Now, he drove for another 2 hours and 26 minutes. Distance is 153.4. What is the speed? So now, speed is distance divided by time. Distance in this case is 153.4 divided by 2 hours and 36 minutes. 2 hours and 36 minutes. How do you, is it 2.36? No, okay? Remember, it is 36 minutes out of 60 minutes, 1 hour, okay? If you know how to input this into your calculator, great. If not, you need to change this into a decimal first, okay? So 153.4, just copy. 2, let's change this into a decimal. Just input 36 divided by 60 in your calculator. You should get 0.6. So 2 and 36 over 60, you will get is actually 2.6. Now, this is very simple to input into your calculator already, okay? So just press, you will get 59 km per hour. Very simple, 59 km per hour.
Overwhelmed by the sheer variety of PSLE math questions, especially in Paper 1 Booklet B and Paper 2? Now you're not alone, and there's a smarter way to tackle it. After years of guiding students through these challenging sections, I developed the 9-type system, proven framework that simplifies even the trickiest word problems by distilling them into just 9 core types. This system helps students recognize common patterns in questions, apply a step-by-step problem-solving strategy, understand concepts deeply, not just memorize, maximize marks with an exam smart approach. The 9-type system, proven, powerful, effective, designed specifically for primary 6 students who are aiming for excellence. What makes this online math camp different? In addition to covering all the essential topics, students will be taught the 9-type system, equipping them with a powerful framework to confidently tackle any word problem they face in the exam. Let's dive into what we have in store for your child. Covers core topics: fractions, ratio, speed, volume, circles, ... and more high-yield topics critical for the PSLE. What to expect: strategic problem-solving techniques, challenging questions from top school prelims, practice with real past papers from schools like Recife, Henry Park, Nanyang, Raffles Girls, Nanhua, Mahabodhi, and many more. Small group setting for focused guidance. Ideal for students who want to strengthen fundamentals and master advanced techniques. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality learning. Boost confidence, sharpen skills, ace the PSLE. In this camp, we will equip your child with the tools they need to navigate the PSLE with confidence. Don't let the stress of exam time overwhelm your child. Give them the gift of a strategic, simplified approach to PSLE math. Location: online. Watch how I solve example questions. Singapore PSLE Math Tuition, YouTube.
I have achieved for A stars, the equivalent of for AL1, for my own PSLE. Having done it myself, I know what it takes to achieve AL1 EPSL.
Find out more about my credentials and teaching experience. Singapore Primary PSLE Math Tuition, simplifying PSLE math, maximizing results. DM through Facebook.